everyone, yasas que Carlos Tirtata to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a recipe that probably doesn't exist out there. I haven't seen it. Tiropita croissants. These are croissants that I usually buy them from Costco every week when I do groceries because we use them to make quick breakfast, desserts. They're just so good. And if you have croissants and you don't know what to do with them, and you've seen those viral recipes with the cookie-filled croissants, and I've done a spanakopita-filled croissant, and I thought, why not fill them with cheese, feta, ricotta? I also added Muenster to this, and they melt beautifully. They stay buttery and fluffy and toasted all around, but the filling is just so good. You guys are gonna love it, and it's ready in like 15 minutes. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna begin by making the tiropita filling, and it's so simple to make. All you need is 1 pound of ricotta cheese. If you prefer cream cheese, you could use that instead. We're gonna also crumble in 1 pound of really good quality feta. My favorite is a sheep's milk feta. I'll finally chop some fresh mint and add it to the mixture. Drizzle in some really good quality olive oil, and then I'll add some freshly cracked black pepper. Mix this all up and give it a taste. I doubt it needs any salt because feta is plenty salty, so I won't be adding any salt to this. Tastes really good. Now it's time to put everything all together. I have these store-bought croissants here. I'm using 4, but this mixture is enough to fill between 5 to 6 croissants. Just slice them down the middle in half and place them on a baking tray that's lined with parchment paper. Top the bottom half with that creamy tiropita mixture. Then I like to add Muenster cheese slices to this. You could add your favorite cheese slices on top. Any cheese that melts well will do. Muenster has really good flavor, but mozzarella works too. So I'll just take 1 slice of Muenster cheese and just cut it in half, and then I'll place it on top of each of the tiropita filling. Then I'll cover all the cheese with the croissant tops. This is going to go in the preheated oven, and it's going to bake at 350 degrees for between 10 to 12 minutes, or until the croissants are beautifully toasted and the filling is oozing out and melted and delicious, and then it's time to serve. Once they come out of the oven, resist the urge to bite into them right away because they have to settle a little bit. That cheese is going to be piping hot. So give them about 5 minutes, and then they're going to be ready to serve. You can serve them straight away as is with some harissa sauce on the side. Some pizza sauce or marinara sauce is really nice with this. But I love tiropitas with honey, so I drizzled honey on half of it, and I'll eat the other half plain. Let's do the taste test. Can you hear how crispy and flaky they are? They're crispy, but they're not hard. The outside is toasted, just like a fresh croissant. Oh my goodness. So delicious. I love them with the honey. But if you want to make them for like a quick lunch, you can put some pasturma, if you have pasturma slices in it. That would be good. Turkey slices would be also really nice in there for some protein. But they are delicious as is. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. The exact measurements are on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. Check it out, make it, let me know what you think. And also, if you have any recipe requests, post them down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas.